This is a video inspection of a 2006 Haas VF-6, 20 horsepower, 2-speed gearbox, 10,000 RPM, through spindle coolant. The machine has 6,236 spindle hours. We're going to start off our inspection with a couple of tool changes. This is going to be the spindle at 5,000 RPM. This will be the spindle at 10,000 RPM. And this will be the spindle changing gears and running at 500 RPM. We're in a handle jog mode. We'll handle jog the Z-axis. We will handle jog Y. See, the weight covers are very clean, no dents. And then here is X. The windows are very clean. You can see through, even on the doors. Very clean. We'll do a quick walk around. This is the side mount tool changer. This is the coolant pump and through spindle coolant pump, through spindle coolant filter. See, the machine is very clean, well taken care of. Lube oil. The machine does have a brushless 4th axis option.